Hey guys, James's Railway Adventures here, and today we're going to be reviewing a Bachmann loco from the Northwestern Railway, Edward the Wise Old Engine. Let's open this up. So, right off the bat, this is really nicely shaped and proportioned. We've got really good looking details. We've got its red lining, its handrails, number 2 on the side, the whistle, wheels, cabin wheels, and it's a bit of a crawl that we can do. Oh my god, that has to be the best crawl I've seen from a Thomas character. That is amazing. Here, let's see if I'm going to show his eyes moving. That is amazing. Anyway, let's give Edward something to pull. And given that what he's got behind him, let's give him some express coaches to pull. But first, let's get him out this side. Alright then, Edward, off you go. Okay, it's just going to disappear behind the sign for a second. So yep, do subscribe to my channel. Alright Edward, now you've got a straight road to your coaches. Right Edward, I want to give the coaches a too bit of a bump. There you go. Alright Edward, off you go. Overall, that has been my review of the Bachmann Edward. Until next time, this is James's Railway Adventures, and I'll see you somewhere down the tracks. Dry rails and smooth running. Goodbye.